Alright, boys and girls, so we're gonna open this Bitaxe DTV Electronics one. My thought is I want to see how the thermals are outside of this case. I feel like it could be better, definitely better outside of the case. So my plan is I'm going to crack it open. I've got some standoffs that we're going to put on it, and then we'll do some testing on thermals. So you just got to pull these little rubber feet out, and I'm going to set them off to the side here so they don't lose them. And just pop them out. Alright. And down inside those holes, in here and here, should be a Phillips screw. So we'll pop these out real quick. Seems like the vessel screwdriver would be a little too big to get down in there, so we might just use this iFixit one for now. Not a sponsor. Uh-oh, dogs are going upstairs getting crazy. In case you didn't know, I'm in a basement, so of course you're going to hear every footstep, and that's my bad, but it's okay. It's part of life, man. We got kids and stuff like that. Alright, let's see if this opens. Oop, screws are a little long. Alright, one of them came out. Okay, let's see if we get that off there. Set this down for just a second. You'll see those screws. So, screws right there. Black, they're about ½ an inch long, pretty decent sized screw. And then I think you can just push up, yep, push up on that fan, and there you go. It's a standard Bitaxe. Got a Bitaxe cooler, Bitaxe fan. So now I've seen plenty of videos about the voltage regulator getting hot. You know, some saying that the MOSFETs are getting hot on the back. I have some heat sinks here. But first I want to try just out of the box. And no, we're not running any overclocks right now. Maybe in the future, but not right now. So I've got these little standoffs right here, like motherboard standoffs, the little 1-inch ones. And I'm going to put these on, and then we'll put it out in the shop and test it. Will that fit perfect? I was kind of worried these wouldn't fit, because I know on the Arduinos and stuff like that, they have a slightly different size pinhole for the standoffs and case mounting and stuff like that. So these ones fit just perfect. I just didn't want to lay it flat on the wood in there. It just seems kind of extra janky. Even though I'm the janky guy, I do some janky shit. I don't want to create a problem here. So once I get these standoffs on, I'll update with the thermals here in a little bit and see if what we figure out. I have a sneaking suspicion that that case is causing some restriction to the back, especially on this. I mean, yeah, there's vent holes in it, but I don't feel like they're very good. But that would basically put the Bitaxe sitting on a stand like that. But, you know, I know there's some holes back here, but there's not enough room on the edges for the fan to circulate air around. So I'm going to try it without it, and then I'll get back to you guys, and we'll see how it goes.